QR codes like this one here have become extremely popular. They're easy and convenient, but surprisingly underexplained with no instructions. I'm going to show you how to use QR codes, what they are, and something to be aware of when using these. The beauty of QR codes is that they're extremely easy to use. This software I bought has a QR code, and all I need is a smartphone to scan it. I'll just open the camera, point it towards the code, and my phone camera will recognize it as a QR code. Tap the link, and it'll take me to the web page of this manufacturer. No need to download apps or anything, simply point your camera towards the code. You should only scan codes that are in trustworthy places. QR codes can be used to lure people on malicious websites, so never go blindly scanning codes you see on a random sticker somewhere. And if you're scanning a code, pay attention to the preview link that shows up in your camera before tapping it. And that's how you use QR codes. Enjoy, stay safe, and subscribe for more quick tech tips like this.